Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday, December 5th. Crazy even be saying that. Well, today we're gonna have a terrific and great trading day. I got a feeling. With that being said, today we're gonna have patience. That's the mission for today. Patience, gentlemen. There's no reason to be rushing, no reason to be trying to get to the finish line early. And we're not going for home runs. We're literally for today. Base freaking hits, people. Base hits. Are we locked in? Let's get locked in. We got 10 minutes before market opens here. So let's get ready to look at what the market's actually been doing for the overnight session. Just so we know. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. So we did pop up to the high was at 755.75. Good morning, Woody. Yes, sir. Base hits, sir. Base hits. That's what it's all about. So 755.75 was the high for the overnight session. Like I said last night on the hangout stream, we have some type of move normally around 8:30, and sure enough, we sold off at 8:30, came all the way down to the 579.75 there. Currently we're below the VWAP. We are above the 21 EMA, and we're above the close from yesterday. Close from yesterday was 25,632.50. 25,632.50. So as it sits right now, looking at the market, we did have we've had two bull flags print. But honestly, I want to see what the market actually does here in a little bit. I'm not rushing today. I got some new funded accounts. I got a couple of the new select accounts as well that I'm gonna trade today as well. So it's gonna be a busy little trading day. But base hits. That's it. That's all we're looking for. Base hits today. Let me see. Don't know why. Need to get my chat working here. Let me see if I can get this fixed before market open. Is everyone having a good morning so far? Hopefully we are. There we go. Gotcha. Bam. Let me refresh this. So this should populate now. It was giving me an issue this morning. I don't know why it doesn't like me adding my shorts. Yeah, it's still not accepting the short one. That's weird. Weird. But it's okay. All right, that's good. I'm ready to make $1 or a couple. Good morning, G. Good morning, sir.
How's it going?
Another day in paradise, brother. I'm ready to make some money today.
Same
How about
here,
yourself?
same here.
We'll take it. Young boy, morning.
What's shaking?
It's another day in paradise, brother. We're gonna make some money today. Good morning, Steve. How are you feeling today, sir?
Good. It's like your discipline is amazing. How you jumped on those jobs, sucker.
Let me double check the audio on the stream real quick.
Hello. Check. Two. What's happening, baby?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. We sounding crispy. We sounding good. Your boy's excited today. We're gonna make some money. We're gonna make some money today. For some of you guys that weren't on right when I started here, a quick little breakdown. We're currently below the VWAP, above the close from yesterday, which was at 632.50, above the 21 EMA as well.
Yeah, it's just so you know, Ninja's showing the close at 29.75, VWAP 56.78, and EMA 641.17.
Okay, for the EMA, for the
close.
I got 642. We're gonna get it done regardless. We're gonna get it done regardless.
No, I have a question for you beyond that.
Yeah.
Like before, like the contracts are starting to switch over, obviously, since we're running up on the 25th. But when are we gonna make the leap to the, MNQ 326?
We'll make that once it has more volume. To be real.
I haven't looked at it, but I'm just saying, I'm just trying to figure out what's shaking.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on the volume, everything like that. I feel like a lot of people aren't going to switch over just yet. Maybe closer to the end of the month, but right now everyone's going to be trading on the 1225.
Well, you were just mentioning the loss of volume, so I was trying to think, like, hey, is that what's going on here?
Yeah, no, it's not that. It's just end of the year, so not as many volatile things happening in the markets because everyone's like getting ready for the holidays, all that good stuff. But we're gonna see what we get. We're gonna see what we get here.
When you're trading futures after the first of the year, is that when like all the yahoos that like make New Year's resolutions show up and say, I'm gonna make $1 million.
Well, the first month of the year, I probably is always the hardest. I'll say January is always super difficult to trade. Previously, not anymore because we got the strategy. You know what I'm saying?
What makes it
hard? Just because it's the first month of the year, so you honestly just don't know what direction the market wants to go in. And then you got extra people jumping into the markets that never tried trading, everything like that, adding extra liquidity. So
that's what I just hello McFly. I just said that. Jive turkey.
I am not a jive turkey, sir. Why are you missing? Barry, good morning, sir. Honestly, it's just copied over from my streaming software. I haven't really dialed in the Twitch stuff yet, to be real with you. Is vertical not the thing for Twitch? Let your boy know. Got you. Well, I'll be able to get that corrected. Probably not right this second before market opens here.
Oh,
in a minute, but next week I'll make sure that Twitch stream's cleaner. So we pushed up to that VWAP. Let's see if Moose was in here. We'll say, are we going to get a retracement here? Because at 8:30 this morning, we did have the little drop off. Black Beauty, don't be putting that stuff in my chat, please. I don't know what you're trying to promote, but this isn't the place to promote it.
15 seconds, baby.
No, that's fine. I'm fine with that, but I don't know about that prop firm, and I'm not going to recommend that until I know more about it. So either you can remove those from the chat or I can remove them. It's up to you. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Market is officially open, everybody.
Look at him go.
And we're doing the retracement. We're doing the retracement here.
Oh, boy.
We have the overnight high, 755.75.
Hey, where's my man G right now?
He's
Right here.
he's in here. He's in here.
No, I know. It's tight. You want to go box? The box is in the house. Come on. Right? Come on, man.
Gonna be hanging out here for a little bit because I wait until 9:45 to execute the first trade.
It's gonna start in the right place, man. That's gonna be good.
And look at this little push here. Off this bull flag pre-market, this bad boy just rocket shipping right now. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Rocket shipping, tripping.
I just made 2,700.
2,700.
Yes, on my top step.
Good job, sir.
See, I told you that's the ace right there.
What?
Hey, come on, in the house.
Huh? It's chilly up here a little bit.
Let's go.
I love G. I love his. Love it. All right, let's see where we may be trying to go.
Damn, boy, it shot them. Yo, literally, I'm like, man, let me jump in. Then, I wish I was on Ninja Trader, but
Yeah, this bad boy pushed up quite a bit there, so we're honestly, I'm just waiting to see where we end up. Maybe we build a bull flag up here. If you had one on open, well, Barry, I'll get the exact number for you right now, because I saw this bear flag or a bull flag that was trying to print right here. So we had the pole, came down a little bit. Let me get the ruler out. Let me get the ruler, see how much that would have been. We'll say from right here. That been $2,100 if I would jumped in on that trade. Remember, people, don't go chasing it. If you didn't catch the move, do not chase it. Wait for the next move.
still going up.
I see that. All for it. Is this going to be a big old rally before Christmas? Because the closest thing I would say that we may be trying to eventually get back up to would be the 26,000. Because we haven't been up there for quite a bit now. But we're going to see. We're going to see. Want to see a flag? We need a flag right now. I'm not trying to go chasing this. I'm not trying to chase this morning.
Oh, he's got his hands up, man. That's crazy. How did
I
you
am
do
amped
that?
up. I'm jacked on the juice this morning.
And you buying that bottled water for $50 a gallon?
They put something in the water, gentlemen. They put something in the water. I'm jacked on it.
And for 5 gallons, they better put something in the water.
Let me switch this over to the 1 minute here. Barry, I hope it's not fluoride. That'd be pretty bad and toxic. But you never know. You never know. All right. It's 5 minutes into the market open. Yeah, I know it's so hard not to trade right now if you haven't taken a trade yet. Because you literally watch the market pop up the way it did above this pivot point. But it's okay. Because the moves always repeat themselves, people. Just saying. Right back down to that pivot point right there. Let's see if we're going to lose it or if we're going to dance on it like we did yesterday.
That was like a house party, man. It stayed there forever.
That it did. Yesterday, after we got off the stream, I had to handle some payroll stuff yesterday.
Oh, tell the real story.
Yeah. I had to handle some payroll stuff after the stream yesterday. And once I handled the payroll, I'm like, let me see what the market's doing. I'm like, it's moving pretty well. Let me just, you know what I'm saying, get some. We actually had momentum. I'm like, sure, why not? Took some trades. And actually put some money in the account. So I was definitely happy about that. Because I was frustrated with how the morning session originally started. You know what I'm saying? It was so slow and choppy. Reminder, we do not have news today. No news today. It's not time for Christmas bonuses yet, Barry. You know what I'm saying? It's not even Christmas. We gotta wait till the end of the month for maybe that.
Well, yeah, I must have missed that one.
All right, so that bull flag possibly going to play out here. We want to see how far we get. Slightly tempted to jump in if we clear this previous wick. There we go. Clear that wick. Oh, you're good, Barry. But Barry, I'm glad you jumped on because last night during the traders hangout, you know what I'm saying? Like, where's Barry Allen at? You know what I'm saying? Like, hadn't seen the name in the chat for a couple days. Hopefully you've been well. Still flat. Not trying to rush anything. Yeah, I'm actually debating. I may switch over to one of my other fundeds and trade that one first. And then after I put money in those accounts, then switch over to some of these new evals that I got and try passing those after. I think that's going to be the play. Let's see. Let me switch over to that real quick.
I heard there's news at 10 o'clock.
What news? I didn't see anything about news today.
There's something that was not on the journal. But maybe do you have some inside news?
It's pulling back right now. I wonder if it's gonna go back up though. Go past that 277.
I feel like it may be trying to build out either a bull flag right up here above this pivot to take us higher. Let's look at some higher time frames. Yeah, this is looking like it looks like it's trying to build a little bull flag. Let's see. Gotta love these pivot points, man. Gotta love these pivots. Let's see if the bulls could get above the pivot. No, you're good, dude. I was just, me and Brendan, we were just like, I wonder if Barry got another McRib. You know what I'm saying? That's what we were thinking last night. All right. Are we getting ready to have a retracement here? I got 5 more minutes before I can execute a trade on this funded account.
We're going to touch that VWAP in a second if we get through that whole number.
I'm trying to be as patient as possible,
It's not working, is it? I see your hands are shaking.
My hands are up. You know what I'm saying? I have not taken a trade yet. Wait until 9:45.
What they don't know is you can work your mouse with your foot. I've seen it.
That'd be kind of crazy. I don't want them knowing I'm taking trades. All you hear is my toes click, 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 click. That'd be kind of dangerous.
Yeah, that'd be bad because you'd have to have that really down. Because if you didn't close out, wait, my foot. I kicked the mouse.
I gotta finish editing another video for you guys to drop later today. Wow, look at that. I should have. It is what it is. It is what it is.
I took that. That's 550.
You're crushing it today, sir. Love it. I love to see it.
It could have been a grand, but fuck, that shit shot right up. Damn bad.
I'm trying my best to have patience right now. I only have 3 more minutes for this 15-minute range to be completed. Feels like an eternity right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to let this first 15-minute play out before executing the first trade. Do it. Do what, Barry? Trade with my toes? Like Steve was talking about, or wait till the first 15?
Just wash your feet next time. It's really bad if you don't.
Oh, it get kind of funky. Let's see what we get here. I feel like we're getting ready to build out another bear flag. Hopefully we have the time where it'll finish like right at 9:45 so I can execute. Well, let's see if we possibly build a little bear flag down here. I'm all for it. But we are sitting pretty much this candle on the 2 minutes sitting right on the VWAP. So let's keep that in mind as well. Looking at that 5 minute, look at that big old wick. Trying to show that buyers are trying to step in right now, but let's see who's going to win the battle. Whenever I look at trading, I feel like it's a tug of war. You know what I'm saying? That's all this is, tug of war. You got the Bears and the Bulls.
The Bears and the Bulls.
And they're pushing and pulling throughout the entire day. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no. What we going to get? Looking like a bear flag. Oh, I need one. No. Less than a minute. Please wait. Please, market, wait. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Bulls. Thank you for saving that price right there for us. All right, less than 20 seconds now for the 9:45 15-minute range. So we'll take it. Where I'll be greenlit to actually trade. All right, there's 945 right there. We'll take it. All right, now let's see what we get here. I want to see us get below that VWAP to take a short here.
We're on that 698, right?
Let me double check. Yep. On mine, it's like sitting right there, like 697.75.
Okay.
So I want to get below the VWAP for a short or above this pivot point for a long.
For a long. Okay.
So I want to get above the 747 level to take a long here or below the 697.75 for a short. That's what I'm currently looking at. Looks like it's trying to push up to that pivot point.
Right back down. They got close to that pivot up there.
We know those pivot points act as a magnet, people. So keep that in mind.
Oh, going up, going up.
On that 5 minute, that looks like a bull flag on the 5. But we got, for the real fall through, you gotta get up to that yellow line for it to be like, okay, yeah, that's a bull flag with momentum. You know what I'm saying? Seller's trying to step in here. On the 1 minute. That could be that. I'm putting the doodles on the chart to keep me out the market. Because I realized lately, ever since like mid-November, I feel like I've been rushing. Trying to correct that, you know what I'm saying? Easier said than done, but today was the first step, you know what I'm saying? I waited to trade even my brand new freshly funded eval from Tradeify for the Tradeify Select account. So proud of myself for not trading so far. And from yesterday as well, in two of my accounts, I took losses in, and I realized, I'm like, if I just waited, right, a little bit longer for the day, I would have just been all green for the day. So another reason why I'm trying to have more patience. Coming up to that pivot point.
Right back
All right,
down.
there's that pivot point tap. The bulls did not push right through it. I'll look for a long above the pivot. Come on, Bessie. What we gonna do? We're up here at this pivot point here. All right. Looking at these Rinkos. Are we gonna build a bull flag up here? I want to start to push away from this pivot point. All right, we're back above this pivot. I want to push away from it slightly. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like being so close to it.
Oh! What did it do that? Why?
That pivot point.
It's a magnet, man. It's a magnet.
It was over it. And then it just shut right down.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it, people. Is that my landscaper?
The guy bringing the glass bottles of water for $55 a pop. That shit roll over in a Rolls Royce.
They should, right? They should. Yep. Let me open my gate real quick. I'll be right back, gentlemen. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Hey, Sting!
Yo.
Yeah, man. I made well, on my regular, on my growth, I'm 440.
Awesome.
So now I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in my Wait. Yeah. Now I'm jumping on my funded now. My funded account, so I could try to at least make something. You know.
All right. So you had basically
Order filled.
Oh, it's shooting up. It's shooting up. Oh my goodness. It's over the magnet too. Duane would have jumped in on this one.
Oh yeah, but we're also at the box. At the boxed box.
Oh, it's on top of it. It's on top of the box, right?
I know, but if you adjust the box for the 15-minute range, we're there. So I'm just gonna see what happens up at this range. But I'm ready to jump in on the.
On the what? Call or sell?
Well, I mean, if it starts leveling, then I'm gonna go box. Otherwise, I'll just go long.
Okay. Oh, it went back down.
Yeah, because it's hitting. It's having to try to push into new territory stuff.
All right, I'm back. Whew. Ah, look at that. Pop out the 15-minute range. That's crazy.
Yeah. I was saying if Duane would have took that trade.
On it. Unbelievable.
I said Duane would have took that trade.
Woosah, Duane. Woosah. Well, first target to the high side up here is going to be 829.25.
Oh my God.
Straight craziness.
It is shooting up.
We're right at this whole number, the 800 level. Barry, I don't even want to think about it, dude. I don't want to think about it, man. Because I said once we tap the yellow line on the 5-minute chart, that will show us that we have strong bullish momentum. You know what I'm saying? And there we go. There we go, gentlemen.
It says news coming out in about 4 minutes. I'm trying to see what news they talking about.
Hey, what news did you hear about, G? Because I didn't see it.
Looks like we're going to come down and retest possibly the high of that 15-minute range there. No, I wasn't going to make him wait. He's been my landscaper now for like 6 years. You know what I'm saying? Solid. And since it's like the off season for the grass growing, he comes only like every 2 weeks now. So when he's here, like I gotta make sure that gate's unlocked for him. My cameras are going off the hook right now. Looks like we may be trying to build a bull flag. Another one. You know, I just felt like DJ Khaled right there. Not even going front. You know what I'm saying? All right, right back to the 15-minute range for that retest of the high of the 15. That's normal. Look at that wick on the bottom of that candle right there. I don't know why that's acting so weird. What in the world? There we go. Still waiting. Dun dun dun. Any big plans for the weekend for you guys?
Nah,
You know,
chilling.
I'm having the time of my life, man. You know,
Okay.
You gotta live. You gotta live. You need to take each day that you have and make the most of it.
I'm literally just gonna be hanging out. Me and my girl, we may be going out to dinner tonight.
That was zero response right there.
Huh?
That was zero response about taking the charge of the day.
I didn't even hear you. Finish the drywall. Well, have fun with that, Barry.
Oh, drywall.
Well, if you get with Steve, you can help him with his aquaponics system, and he can help you with the drywall. You know what I'm saying? You guys can help each other out.
I rebuilt that thing yesterday, so top to bottom. So
Nice.
but like I said, I designed it, so I know what it needs. So it's like, is it my favorite thing to do? No, but for the yields I get,
It's worth it.
Yeah, I mean that was like the complete teardown maintenance I had to do.
Okay. I want to see us get to this yellow line. I want that yellow line with some momentum and follow through so I can take along here.
You got to take it, Josh.
I feel like it's gonna go down.
Well, I just need to know if G is a boxer or a flagger.
A boxer or a flagger?
Because there's
Oh.
two complete. I know.
Oh.
What in the world? I closed. What? I didn't. What was that? That's 10 o'clock for you. That's 10 o'clock for you. Thank God. I got 310 off that, but that was scary.
That was
Barry.
right there. That was
Woo!
the
Whew.
So G was right.
I need a walk. Your boy needs to walk for a second.
Wait, Dwayne's doing cardio. Praise
Woo!
God. Dwayne is doing cardio.
Whew. Alrighty. That almost got ugly real quick right there, fellas. I ain't going front. That almost got real ugly.
Man, the sound of like a million accounts is blowing up right there. Boom.
I wasn't even paying attention to the time. Barry Allen in the chat drops to almost 10. I didn't even see it until after the ding, 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 ding. Woo! That was kind of scary. That was scary. Not gonna lie. My heart's racing right now. My heart's racing. Well, 310 on that account. I think I'm done trading this account for the day after that little scare.
That's 310 the hard way, man. That's crazy. you just, I mean, with all due respect to your prowess and stature, that was luck. Like that you didn't get crunched on that.
I almost had 600, but listen, I am not mad that I got 310 like whatsoever.
Yeah, just take whatever you need. Just don't leave me red, because that's like wow.
Like Jesus. Alrighty, well, good job, team. All right, let me switch over to one of these select accounts so I can woo-saw a little bit. Not wrong screen again, honestly, because I'm looking at so much information, Barry, where I'm not looking up at the top of my one screen where the time's right at the top right-hand corner. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm so fixated on looking at the movement of the market. So I'm not always looking at the exact time. You know what I'm saying?
I should have called it out. I was thinking about it. I was watching it, but I'll make it a point to call it out more and start having more fun.
Patient, guys. I'll wait for it to kind of.
I was looking, Dwayne. Oh, Dwayne, you in?
Yeah, I'm in. $220 on that trade right there. I'm not trying to hold for too long. Just quick in and outs. Just trying to be green. That's all I'm trying to do today. Just green. Let me rotate to another one. All right, rotate to this one. And I'm only trading right now 2 contracts. I should probably do that, Barry. Like, you just come dropping the knowledge, sir. You just come in dropping the little tips. I love it. I love it.
Okay, what did he say?
He said I should set an alarm for 9:59 on the phone, so it goes off letting me know.
Going up, man.
Well, we had this one bull flag right here before the 10 o'clock, and that's what's playing out right now. So I'm just waiting for another position to be able to enter. You know what I'm saying? I didn't drop 3K. I lost 3K in a blink of an eye. Like, it was literally that quick, gone. But we've been doing much better since then, Barry. We got that wick on the bottom, that 1 minute candle. Let's see what we got on the 2.
Let's see it.
I'm looking. I feel like we're going up to the target, boys. We're going up to the target. We're sitting up here above this 800 level. So that 829.25 is the first target. Kind of want us to hit the high right here real quick. See if we reject slightly before we keep pushing up.
Like meandering to it.
Yep. I shouldn't talk about it because if I talk about it, then it doesn't want to do it. You know what I'm saying? There we go. All right, 350 on that trade right there. I cut it. We're just moving. We're just moving. One trade a day keeps the bills away. I normally say $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, but now I'm saying one trade a day keeps the bills away.
Remember, it's got to be a good trade. Okay, still wait.
Sup, Wayne? Welcome, sir. Good morning.
832. Where now, oh great one?
I'm gonna call one out 1 second here. Rotating accounts here. Alrighty, I'm back. So trading the NQ, sir. So right now we have a pivot point above us, 86175. 86175 will be my next target to the high side here. And then our official target, once we get above the first target I have on my chart, I'll be able to call that out. But if we get above, we have to get above the 829 level. Once we get above there, then I'll be targeting that next pivot point, 861. I'm feeling good today. Like, I woke up, like, my girl last night, she cooked me a bomb steak with eggs and some spicy sausages that were delicious, but boy, I ain't as young as I thought I was anymore. I'll say that.
Oh, God, get over it.
Market moving slow. It's moving. It's not crazy a day, but it is moving enough where we could get in and out. So better than yesterday. Better than yesterday and the days before, I'll say. Oh, yeah. I guess I'm going to tell the Legacy Wealth Society, and the YouTube's going to hear it as well. So this year for the Legacy Wealth Society, since I just started this community a few months back, I'm going to be giving all the members of the Legacy Wealth Society a Legacy Wealth Society shirt for Christmas. That's my gift to you guys. You know what I'm saying?
You can have a picture of you going like this. Oh.
It's going to be a picture of me holding the wall like this and saying, "You can do it." Something like
There
that.
it is. I want that. I wear that shirt everywhere, man.
No, but they're going to be clean shirts. It's going to be the Legacy Wealth Society across the chest, and then I'm going to have like a saying or something on the back of the shirt. Not sure what I'm going to say. Like, I'm thinking like $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. It's going to be something. It's going to be something that will provoke people to ask you, "Oh, what's the Legacy Wealth Society?" You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Okay, we're at that 29 level, so let's see if we get any
Yep.
momentum going.
So first target above the 829 level here will be the 861.75. And then right above that, it's my official target of 880.
Yeah, but we just need to get that momentum because it's doing the stair step.
Yep. But like I said, much cleaner today than earlier this week for me personally. for my eyes looking at the charts here. Because for the traders hangout that we've been doing every night this week, the market it moves so much slower for those overnight sessions than the morning session, where I see the moves. I just don't want to trade because I'm not familiar with the markets for the overnight sessions. All right, we're pushing. So this was a small bull flag right there once again. Want to see one on the higher time frame. I'm trying to go all green today. I'm trying to be all green today. So big pop in the mid, Barry Allen said. Barry, if it wants to pop, we're ready for it, sir. We're ready for the pop. Me and my girl, we're going to the I restaurant on Monday. We're excited about that. We were supposed to go tonight, but I went to make the reservation. They only had outdoor seating, and I want to be inside for the show. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't see the show from outside. Like, come on.
Yeah, because they got all kinds of stuff going on in there. I remember.
Yep. So we're going on Monday. So tonight, I gotta figure out where we're gonna go. Because I still want to go out tonight, you know what I'm saying? But we can't go to our favorite spot, so we got to find a backup.
Right. That's another 300 right there.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
That's 400 on my funded, my growth funded.
Go ahead.
Right
That's
there.
awesome, dude.
G is in the house.
Make sure you put it in the discussion. I want to see your win, sir.
All right.
Like, because when you win, we all win. That's the part of this community.
Yeah, like I said, man, everybody in this group is like one purpose, you know. And I'm just grateful for affirmative action because without it, I wouldn't be here.
Facts. Facts. You ain't lying, Steve. You ain't lying.
I'm the token honky in the room.
So look, I got 440 on my hold on, let me see. I got 440 on my select on my eval, the people say eval, and then I got 400 on my growth. So 400 on my growth funded.
That's awesome, dude.
Would you take another trade?
Yeah, just did another 230 right there. Another 230. I'm just rotating. I got a lot of accounts I got to rotate through.
I only have 2, so like that's.
So just putting money in all of them. So we're like right at $1,000 for the day so far.
Screen is black.
Yeah, no, I was checking the accounts. Bear with me, everybody. Screen it. We'll be black for another second. I'm rotating through accounts. It's okay, people. Nothing happened. Your boy's just rotating.
Weird though because it's like you're like a little thumbnail and the whole screen is like jet black. So it's like what's going on here?
What number is that? 642. Let me find it. Where's it at? There we go. All right. Is that my door? Oh, that's the landscaper. Blowing the leaves. Buried. I didn't see a jump, sir. What were you expecting? That's my question. Like, I want to know like what was the thought process of thinking it was going to like pop up. Just curious. Because if I'm not in the know, I want to be in the know. You know what I'm saying? We're all trying to win together. That's what this is all about. Oh. Well, not black anymore. Did you guys see that? Like, I accidentally when I drink, the pinky went up. You know what I'm saying? Like,
listen, I'm trying to ignore certain things, okay?
so,
Okay, maybe you could go to Maison Chardon with that pinky, or like Ruth Chris. There you go. Go to Ruth Chris.
Ruth Chris is nice, right? It's nice.
Yeah, but you could get your meat and you'd be happy.
But they don't have enough meat. That's the issue. You know what I'm saying? I hate going to restaurants, like nice restaurants, ordering like $150 meal just for myself, not even including my girl, and I had to leave hungry. Like, that's the worst feeling. Leaving a restaurant hungry is crazy. Millionaire Happy Meat, yes sir. Happy Meat gives me happy feet. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you know the spreads I make in my house, like we're kindred souls, man. It's like I cook it up. But I got a pork shoulder. I'm gonna be like marinating, and I'm gonna be cooking it later after I get off the stream. I'm cooking it, smoking it on Sunday.
Oh, that's awesome.
So that thing is gonna be devastated, and I'm just gonna put that slow smoke, and I'm gonna use some apple juice on it. Oh, you know what I'm talking about, right?
I do. You're making me hungry, sir. You're making me hungry at this point.
You don't even. It's the kind of stuff that blow your mind.
Nicholas, welcome back, sir. What type of trading do I do? I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum.
Also, baseball cards.
And Steve said I trade baseball cards. If anyone has a King Griffey Jr. card signed, let me know. That's the only baseball player I can think off the top of my head quick like that. So probably just dated myself right there as well. But
he wants a Reggie Jackson rookie card.
So currently up for the day, just over $1,000. We've only been in the market for less than an hour. What else can we do, people? This is my favorite line. What else can we do that we can make $1,000 in less than an hour? Legally. Just saying. Without needing a customer, without needing an employee, without needing a client, without needing to sell anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing else we could do. And there we go, hitting that. We're above that pivot point. Let's see if we build a flag up here.
So, hey, Dwayne, I'm going to be getting my RV back. Remember
Yeah.
You know, it's that Toyota RV, and I'm putting an LS, an aluminum LS in it, and it's got all the GM, like Dana suspension and military stuff. It'd be incredible.
Oh, that's awesome. Me and my girl, we were thinking about doing like an RV road trip. And like, we're like, it sounds like really fun and like we have a lot of fun, but just being there with all the kids, driving down the highway, I know we would be getting agitated.
Well, no, here's the deal. If you're doing like a family road trip like that, there's usually like there's like the 222s or 333s. So basically, the most you're gonna drive is 200 or 300 miles, and you're gonna stop and you're gonna get there. But like if you drive 200 miles, you stop before 2 o'clock, and you know what I mean. So you're not just like running on the road.
Yeah.
And then another thing is if you're renting one, like fly out to like, you know, Nevada and then pick it up there, because then you could like go to the Grand Canyon. You're not like driving to a destination. Get one in your destination. So you're
I
not
like that.
on the road miles, you know?
Yeah, I like that. I like that idea better, Steve. I like that one.
I mean, I've thought about that myself. Even though we got them, like I don't want to. Why would I want to pull my trailer or like an RV out like like 1,500 miles to get to it. I'll just go out, rent something, and start fresh, and then and I get to drop it off and fly home.
Yeah. No, that sounds like a plan right now. So we rejected off that pivot point up there. We're coming down slightly. Probably going to come back down to the 829 area. Just from what my eyes are showing me, probably the 829 levels. Retest that zone before we potentially push back up or build out a bear flag here.
The one thing I took away from that.
And where's my music? Where's my music?
Back down, right? We kind of like want the fight to kind of go.
Let's do this one. So just like I said, we came down to this 829 area. We tapped it. Want to see if we potentially build out a bear flag down here. So right now we're just waiting. We're waiting. I realized so much from just thinking last night about my trading performance this week and through the mid of November after my birthday till now, and how I realized I'm like, I've just been rushing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've seen moves. I've just jumped in way too early. You know what I'm saying? Like a candle, 2 candles early. But I'm like, if I just calm it down, pump the brakes a little bit, I'll be seeing a whole lot more profits. So that's why I'm chilling a little bit more these days. Well, today, can't say these days, just today so far. I'm honest and transparent. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. We all go through it. We all have to learn ourselves to execute these trades properly. All right, that's looking like a bear flag right there. Nicholas, I like that.
You're not moving a yellow line.
I'm not moving the yellow line because I'm afraid if I move it, the market's not going to want to respect it. It's going to go the opposite direction. So I was trying to trick the market, Steve, okay? Like, that's what I was trying to do. Well, now we're going to see. Now that I moved it, let's see what happens.
Okay, there's the support we needed, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, so for the new people in the back of the class, sometimes when I put the yellow line on the chart, the market sees it. The market watches this stream, by the way. So you're not the only ones watching. The market watches this stream. So whenever I put the line there, the market automatically wants to tap the line and go run the opposite direction. That's why I wasn't trying to put it down there for the bear flag, because I wanted to keep going down. But now I put it there, so watch. This bad boy's going to go straight to the moon. Get ready, boys. Get ready. Make sure you put your helmets on. We about to take off in the rocket ship here.
We are standing by.
But looking at that 5 minute though, we got that wick on the bottom of that current candle. Want to see us push through this pivot point. I want to try hitting that 880 level, to be real, to the upside. If this bear flag on the 2 minute doesn't play out, let me drop it down to the 1 minute. See what the 1 minute's doing. I'm not big on the pole.
Well, you on the 1 minute, look at that doji candle where it literally like bottomed out over there.
Yeah.
Like a shooting star right there. With the wick on that thing.
Let me open my journal. See the exact amount of the commission and fees if it's updated. Okay, yeah, so this hasn't updated yet. Nicholas, where are you trading today? If you're trading at all today, sir. Don't want to assume you're just in the markets. We're slow up here right now. Market's slow right now. Like, I don't know. Like, I low key want to go for a short here if we get the momentum, but we got this pivot point above us acting as a magnet right now. So I don't want to go short and the pivot just pull us right up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's like it's like a pump fake, and all of a sudden you're like, whoa.
Because it's so slow right here. Big bull 1030.
Big bull 1030.
Nicholas, that's completely fine. How are you trying to trade? That's the question. Like, what type of strategy are you trying to use? I see there's the bear flag. Low key wanna ooze. Let's see us get down to that yellow line there. Swing trading, okay. Never did swing trading. I'm more of a simple bull flag, bear flag, momentum type guy.
Gonna get down and touch that EMA, 21 EMA on the 1 minute maybe, which is showing a 30 on the chart, FYI.
It's too slow. I was targeting that 829 level, but I chickened out. I chickened out, boys. Put it in 120 right there. I chickened out. Not going front. It's moving too slow. I need more momentum. I chickened out. I chickened out. What can I say? But right down to the 829 level, just saying. Like, I knew where we were going, but I chickened out.
That 21 EMA is resting there on the 1 minute, so it's literally like supporting right above it.
Okay. On my 2 minute chart, looking at it here, the 21 EMA for me is at 814.
Yeah, it's 812 on mine, but on the 1 minute it's 830.
Copy. Well, Nicholas, since you're still pretty new, if you want to join the community, feel free to. Click the link in the bio and click the founders group. That'll get you in completely for free. If you want to learn how to trade and execute consistently. I'm no guru. I'm just a guy that started before you. Just so you know.
Are we gonna go? It's kind of tested and it got pushed right back up on that wick.
Yeah, I don't like this area right here at the 829 level. I feel like it's trying to act as some support. So unless we get below the 820s, for me, I'm gonna hold on any more shorts for right now. The link, if you on my actual channel, just click the link on the channel. It'll take you to it and click the founders group. That's the free side. Are we getting ready to build out another bear flag? Because I'm seeing it. My eyes are picking up another bear flag here.
Look, yeah, I see it too.
Well,
see it.
I'm glad we both seeing it, Steve.
Look, I got eyes to see and ears to hear.
Nope. Woody, 100% right. That's the one thing about trading we all have to like correct ourselves with. You know what I'm saying? Because we can make so much money with trading if you're doing it consistently with a solid strategy, right? We can make so much money. So when you only make on that trade, for me, 120 bucks, it's like, dang, I wanted more. But you also have to put it in perspective. I clicked a button in less than 30 seconds, had 120. You know what I'm saying? So who am I to like balk at that? Because like you said, that's faster than working a 9 to 5 for 120 bucks. So everything's perspective. Everything's perspective. And I love how as I continue to grow in this trading journey, and you guys are growing with me, I appreciate you guys all coming along for the ride. As we all grow in this, we're going to continue having to correct ourselves. Because just right there, I'm like, oh, 120, you know what I'm saying? But I should be excited for the 120, you know what I'm saying? So never let a small win, even when we close down, we only make 15 bucks, right? And sure enough, some people get paid 15 bucks an hour. And we're upset that on one trade we made 15 bucks. You know, I call that green woohoo.
Oh wow, we're kind of negating that flag, heading right up to that pivot.
Yep. That we are. And Woody, because I know that was a question from last night. So Steve just said it perfectly here. So we are looking for a bear flag down right here, right? That's what we were originally looking for. Just with the structure. The fact that the bulls push it higher than the pole, that negates the flag. So we're no longer looking for a bear flag. So that was real time right there in the markets, Woody. That's how you could tell if it negates the flag.
I got it.
Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome.
We still got that pivot point right above us. I want to get above that pivot. Let's see here. If we get above that pivot, I want to clear those previous wicks. So 868 level. We clear that 868. I would probably take.
Well, as you're speaking, I'm looking at the 2 minute where it's, you know, that wick is basically touched that pivot and it just squashed it down. It's making a hammer right now. So that's like telling me there's some resistance. But
we do have resistance up there.
Yeah, but if we get through that pivot and then it springboards, I'm going to quote Duane Broom, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to see a flag.
Nicholas.
Nicholas.
We don't have a name for it yet, but in the community, there's a video that breaks down the complete strategy for you. So I highly recommend. That's in the vault. So just go over to the vault, check that out, and it will explain the strategy for you that I put together for us for the Legacy Wealth Society. But I should probably come up with a name for it. What should we name the strategy, boys? It needs to be like a zinger. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
The printer. No, the printer's not that cool. Oh, we're going to do this in real time with you guys.
The legacy.
The legacy.
I like that. The legacy strategy.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I like it. And while we're waiting for this market to do this, Nick, let me get you added real quick to the community, sir.
Yeah, as soon as Duane looks away, that's when the move will happen.
Yep. You guys get ready because I'm looking away right now.
Get ready. It's about to break.
He has a second mouse like a magician. He's ready.
Nick, I just added you. Make sure everyone, you guys are liking, subscribing. We've been growing. I appreciate all you guys. How much would that have been from the green at 10:29 till peak of the green 10:42?
There'd be a lot of green.
Well, Barry, let me check for you. Let me check for you, sir. You said 10:29. Okay. I'll do it on this one up here. I'll do it on the Rincos, actually. Till 10:32. That would have been 580. It doesn't take much trading this way, gentlemen. It does not take much.
Make a little money.
G ain't making no little money. He making a lot of money a day.
I'm at three. I'm at $3,000 today.
Damn,
Straight crushing it, dude.
on.
You're a trading machine, sir. Gee, are you a robot, sir?
He is a robot. That's
No,
what.
I'm just looking, just snatching the trades that that makes sense, making what I can, and then
Yep, you lock it in. That's all we gotta do. We just gotta lock in the profits, boys. That's it.
Man, everybody out there on the internet right now, around the world, that G is my ace. He's the guy's a maniac. I mean, listen to what he's doing. He's going places.
Hey, looking at that 5 minute, a little potential bull flag.
Yeah, I see it.
So I say, look, I want to wait. Once I see it breaks that 868, I'm going for a long. I don't care.
All right, you heard it here first, folks. When we break 868, just know G is in a long. He don't care what happens.
He don't care. G don't care. Just take it. That was awesome.
Right now, we're just waiting for another move here. I do see that potential bull flag on that 5 minute. We just, right now, there's no real momentum. That's the issue for me personally.
Right.
On the 15.
I'm not gonna lie. This week's momentum's been, but it's some days if you catch that. Well, I was lucky enough to catch it in the pre-market and today. So that's 2 days out this week. Well, where I got great momentum. But, other than that, choppy. It's been choppy, man.
I feel like he kind of wants to lose. If we drop below 829, I may just take it short. If we go above 868, G's taking long. I gotta take it short. Let's see. We're coming down.
I totally agree with you.
It doesn't matter which direction, gentlemen. It's all good because
Yep.
it's all green.
We make money regardless. We make money if it's going up or down. We still make money.
It's all green in Legacy Land.
Let's see. Hey, let's see. After this minute, 40 seconds. If it stays below that last candle, we could do a little short.
Hey, that's G. I don't think anybody's ever accused you of being short.
Yep, definitely not. Definitely not. So on the day so far, not bad. After commissions and fees, 1173.20. So not a bad Friday. Possibly. I want to see more momentum. That's my issue. I need more momentum. Because like right now we come to like a standstill. Like we go up a little bit, we come down a little bit, but we're not like moving.
Yeah, it's like that 5 minute is kind of showing that, like it needs to break that.
We got the 21 EMA sitting at 827. All right, there's the 21 EMA tab. Now I wait. Are we going to start to lose this 21 EMA?
It's like when your kids putting their toes in the pool. You're like, woo! Like put the toe in, get the toe out. Come on.
It's looking heavy, boys. I feel like it's looking heavy. I may be wrong.
Well, look at. Can you see it? Can you see uphill, downhill? What? Look at your wrinkles, man. It's gearing up to go.
That is. Come on, Betsy. Take us lower.
Come on, you gotta break through. Come on.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy. Come on. Come on down. You can do it, girl. Come on. I know you want to. Stop playing hard to get. Come on.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy. You can do it.
Come on. You know you want to. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. She's gonna do that drop. That's just going down. She's gonna do that drop. Oh.
Waterfall, baby. Go ahead and waterfall for us. Yeah, that's a good girl right there. Yeah. Okay, I closed. That's all I had. I couldn't take it anymore. It's too slow. I need fast action. I need it fast. And we ain't getting fast right now. I don't do slow moves.
Yeah, I'll take that. Fuck it.
I'm trying to live by my saying, just lock the profit in. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all I'm trying to do. Just lock the profit in.
Yeah, that was 210. I locked in. I'm good with that.
You know what I'm saying? Like, 210 from clicking a button.
Right. $210.
We got 15 more minutes and then I'll have to get off here. I got to run around town, all that good stuff today. Hopefully I can get to the gym today. Oh no, look at it starting to waterfall, boys. We may come back down to the high of that 15-minute range, all the way down there at 77725. We're coming to this whole number right now. Let's see if we break through this whole number with momentum. All right, we're through that whole number. Oh, right back to it.
Yeah, let's not start celebrating yet.
Yep, no, I want to see it start coming with some good momentum here. Stopped out on that one, but that's not a funded account. So that was one of my growth accounts that was already in some drawdown. So wasn't too upset about that one. But I'm still green for the day, so I honestly don't care.
You
And
care
one
more
thing,
than you let on.
huh?
I'm just giving you a hard time. Look, man, you know I love you. It's like if I ever offend you, I'm sorry.
Oh, you can never offend me, sir.
Yeah.
No one could ever offend me. That's the best part. Oh, what's this email?
I think you've known me through how many presidents? You know what I mean? Are we gonna go back up and? Well, we're in that EMA on a 2-minute.
I'll probably gonna. There's the 21 EMA tab. So we're coming up to that 829 level. Let's see what we get here.
Which 829.39 is where the 21 EMA is on the 1-minute chart right now.
Okay. Maybe we build a bull flag up here. All right, we're above that 829 level right there. So that was our first original target. So let's see what we get here. Want to see some type of a flag right now. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it.
If you look at the 1 minute, you see,
look. It's going down, though. It went down.
Well, if we stay below this 21 EMA, we may have a shorting opportunity down to that high of the 15-minute range. If we build out this flag and stay above this 21 EMA, we may be able to get a little long here. So just trying to see what we get.
That's in the green a little bit right now. 6P.
So that 21 EMA currently holding this price up.
Huh?
No, I said the 21 EMA is currently holding the price up. All right, 760 on that trade right there. We'll take it. We will definitely take it.
Are we gonna keep going?
Well, I want to get probably below that whole number. Probably like 790-ish. Just so that way we do have those 10 points away from that whole number. Because I took a trade real close to that whole number and I got stopped out. Nature Boy, what's up, brother? So far, the day's going good. Hopefully, you're having a great day as well. We're living the dream out here. You know what I'm saying? We're living the dream, sir.
Right, we're about to get to that area. What are you thinking?
Oh, that's crazy. I tried closing out for a quick one. I put some money in, but oh well. Oh well. So we did tap the high of that 15-minute range, sitting at 777.25. Let's see. We build out a bear flag on the 2-minute here.
Oh shit!
The one on the 2-minute are looking for.
Trump gonna be at the World Cup draw today? Looking at the news, saying Trump gonna be at the World Cup draw at 11:40.
Okay.
Where is that at?
Yeah, I'm like vibing today. I'm not even going front. All right, we're still dropping here. Hey, I want to see another bear flag, but if we don't get it, we may just have to take a scalp with the momentum. Coming down to this other pivot point and the VWAP.
No, the VWAP.
VWAP on mine is currently sitting around the 748.50. 748.50. That's where we got. I have VWAP on my trading view chart. So you may have one in that same area. Pivot point 747. 747.
There's a lot going on there.
There is. We got a lot going on in a small area. And honestly, I'll probably wait till we get below the middle of the 15-minute range at this point, which is at 725. 725.50. 725.50 for the middle of the 15-minute range. If we're going to keep coming down. So I'll wait till we get below that.
You are not going to diddle in the middle.
We do not diddle in the middle, people. Because it's not worth it, people. Like, every time I diddle in the middle, I get chopped up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Did you? So yeah, does our bet still stand that if that I can post that old picture of you on the legacy group if you don't win the trading competition today?
I'm not going to win I haven't been trading that account. I've been focused on the stuff that will actually put real money in the pockets.
I think that you should ask the people online if I should post an old picture of you.
I have no clue of what photo you're talking about, so please don't. Let me get that. Let me approve it first. How about that?
What's the fun in that? I think you should put out to your listeners that are online right now, and if they're quiet, it goes away, or they could say yes, or they could say no.
Well, everyone in the chat's currently saying no, so.
Oh, I'm gonna have to. I gotta ask somebody that's actually on there.
All right, so we're still coming down here. All righty. Coming down to the VWAP. I low key want to take a little scalp to the VWAP. Only because all that stuff down there is acting as a magnet. No, let me not. Let me not.
Yep,
We're
it
green
also
for the
acts
day,
as-
so let me just woo
It
side.
could act as resistant too.
That it could. That it could.
Yeah. I wish I was on my account. I was on my damn sim. That was damn near 3,000. But I haven't. Hey, I'm gonna text you, Dwayne. I'm gonna text
How
you.
many contracts are you doing, man?
That was 4.
He's a wild man. All right, so we pushed right through that pivot point in that VWAP like it wasn't even there. We're waterfalling, boys. We're waterfalling here. I heard some weird birds outside the house right there. Okay. Sounded like dinosaurs. I want to see a flag. That's my issue right now. We have not had another flag.
Well, hey, if you look at the 1 minute, pop over there. You might have a flag forming that'll make you proud.
Let's see. Okay. I do see that one.
Because if it'll hold at the VWAP and not go too far up in the pivot point, that'd be a nice setup.
I completely agree with that one.
Are you making sure everybody out there in La La Land is liking and subscribing?
Yeah, everyone's liking and subscribing. We've been crushing these streams and just the channel in general. I appreciate all you guys for the support because I'm doing this for you guys at the end of the day. We may be getting a bear flag right here.
Hey, look at that 2 minute. I know you like the higher timelines. Come on, Duane.
I do like the higher time frames.
I'm gonna do my impression of Duane. I'd like to see a flag, but on a higher time frame. Since apparently nobody wants to see an old picture of you, I guess that will stay in the vault.
All right, we'll keep that one in the vault for next time. All right, so we're coming up to this pivot point. There's that pivot point touch right there. There's the VWAP touch as well.
It's 11 o'clock right now.
It is officially 11 o'clock.
Nice call out, Steve. Thank you.
Steve, you're just on it today. You're just on it, sir. I love it.
Well, thank you for giving me an opportunity to shine.
Hey, I'm giving everybody opportunity to shine, but you're the one grabbing it by the horns. You know what I'm saying? You're taming the beast, sir.
That's right. I am the beast in a way.
Well, gentlemen, it's officially 11 o'clock. I'm going to have to be getting off the stream here.
Oh wait, I mean, I know I say that every day, right? But this is the time I say that today. So let me say it. Wait, you have a bear flag that's about to play out. It's heavy. You know it's heavy, and it's gonna drop. And you like waterfalls.
I do like waterfalls.
You're gonna be going to Boston, and I know that city's famous for its waterfalls. So stick around.
All right, below that pivot, look at that wick right there. The bears have to like push it quick before I get off the stream here. You know what I'm saying? Like, but see what would happen. Like if I say I'm getting off, the play would happen right when I end, and you guys could take it.
Yeah, but we appreciate you a lot, and I want to make sure that I'm still in your good graces before you send me to the VIP room for threatening to drop a picture.
Oh no, you're never going to the VIP room. I probably sent last night's stream. I probably had to send like 2 people to the VIP room. Oh,
Were more people acting badly?
Yeah, one dude just jumped in like, "Oh, you don't make money," and then said something crazy about my girl. I'm like, "Yeah, you're going to the VIP room." Like, no hellos, nothing, just like straight, just crazy.
I have like a little story because I raise certain animals, and there's a coloring of the ducks. There's like a new line, and it's like there are people who pop on and have those and say those aren't real because they're just trying to talk smack so they can sell their ducks, and it's like, so people could be crazy, but don't worry about it. You got the best vibe in the business.
Oh, listen, I didn't care. My girl didn't want me sending the dude to the VIP room. But I'm like, no. If you act stupid in the chat, you go to the VIP room. It's that simple. Like, I'm not sitting here let them explain. Like, no.
Yeah. No, well, it's all because, like those of us that have lived as warriors outside of the keyboard have a different story.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, yeah. This thing's about to play. Look at this, man.
It's building a flag. It is building a flag, people.
Even on the 5 minute, which is like, I'm going to quote Duane again. That's looking like it could turn into an A++ setup.
I'm going to give it a couple more minutes, but if it doesn't play out, I got to go. We're hanging close to this pivot point right now. That's why I'm not like overly excited, because we're dancing on the pivot. And when I say dancing on the pivot, for the people in the back of the class, whenever we see these bars just go up, down, underneath, back up, I call that dancing. Like, we're not getting away from the pivot point.
Yeah, but the thing is, the way I could see that in this instance, oh great Funkmeister, is that it's like it's holding it and then it's going to drop because it's just like it's forcing it.
Yeah. Hey, if it wants to drop, I'm all for it. I just don't know if I'll be here for that drop.
Well, just remember that we are appreciated, and that thank you for taking the time again to teach, to be so selfless, to be, to have that integrity.
No.
So I know somebody's gonna talk smack, but they have no idea like who you really are, and so I say that thank you for that.
No, I appreciate that, Steve. At the end of the day, like, I truly feel that trading is the best thing that any one of us could ever do. You know what I'm saying? Like, for our lives. Because it's been gatekept for so long. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm not trying to gatekeep it. And looks like we're going to get that flag right here and play out.
When would you jump in? Like, if it does, it's kind of still there. So
I want to get below.
Like 35, something like that. Just to clear that wick.
I want to clear this bottom wick over here to jump in.
Yeah, yeah. That way we're sure for certain.
Yep.
Well, the last one on the 1 minute, the wick didn't even make it to the pivot. So maybe this is a part of it just breaking free.
Well, let's see. Woody, got you, dude. How you doing today, sir? All right, so right now, this flag's not playing out yet. Congrats, dude. I love to see green in the. Who else is green in the chat? Who else is green? If you're red, say red, because we all have red days. Like, it happens to all of us.
I'm green in all my accounts, Duane.
We'll take it. We will take it.
I mean, let me qualify. I don't think I've traded the sim today, so I mean that's kind of like a non-entity. But the accounts I'm trading are green. Now, if I have to go try to do a, just trade the sim, I can. But you like the one.
Nope, green is green, sir. Green is green. You don't need to put another trade on. No, you're good.
There's one of them where I'm $4 away from my target, but it's just like those targets. If you don't want to.
Yep, don't push.
Yeah, you don't. We're such a small amount.
We're still dancing real close to this pivot.
Is this gonna be the one? Is it the one? Where's my man G? He's probably like got another $4 grand.
I'm right here. I'm watching. That is on the trigger.
Alrighty. Just add some more of this account right there. We'll gladly take it. We'll gladly take it.
How much you made on that one?
I put in an additional like $300 right there. So put this account at 1175. So no complaints there. No complaints. Feel like the momentum has slowed down some because we've come down to the same area pretty close and the bulls try popping it back up. So
it's like 32.50, kind of in that range, is just kind of that area of resistance.
And we're literally close to the middle of the 15-minute range as well, people. So we already know what happens in the middle. Nothing good. You get chopped up. So don't take a trade in the middle of the 15-minute range, people.
What is that? If you don't mind me asking, what is the middle of it? You said it before. Was it 37?
The middle of the 15-minute range, let me get it. 725.50 for the NQ. 725.50 for the NQ is the middle of the 15-minute range today. And we're right above that. So this whole area right now would be a no-go zone because we chop in the middle. Like, that's literally what the market does. And as you can see, like, we've been chopping real slow, building out these flags right here, but there's been nothing strong because we're so close to the middle of the range. Well, gentlemen, I'm going to call it here. It's the weekend tonight. Traders hang out. 9:30 p.m. Bears are trying to step in right here as well while I'm talking craziness, but it's chopping. It's chopping. It's just back and forth. It's tug of war. It's tug of war, gentlemen. Gotta love it.
Yeah, and it's like the more it chops, the more it turns into just like a left zone.
Yep. So, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If I don't see you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout, 9:30 at night, I will see you guys Monday morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, to do this all over again.
Oh, right. Hey,
And
so
for Legacy,
have a-
don't
have a
forget, put it
wonderful
on your calendars. I'll put it in the community as well. We have our training on Tuesday, 7 p.m. Oh, Nelly, I'm fine. It can do whatever it wants. I'm done.
Oh no, you're paying attention.
No, I'm done.
You might be done on the stream, but you're gonna watch this move because it's breaking through. It popped out of the middle, went back. It's gonna.
We're chopping in the middle of the 15-minute range. Like,
yeah, but you saw that wick. It tried to fight out of there. So let's.
it tried, but we got that big old wick for the buyers trying to step in. We're chopping in the middle of the range.
Loving it.
Don't trade it. Just saying. All right, gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys later tonight or on Monday. Be blessed,
Boy,
everybody.
You said that so quick. It was like one of those side effects from a. Try Darvis said premium medication may cause itching data and consult your doctor.
We gotta do what we gotta do, sir.
He's licking his.
No, I'm done. I gotta get out of here. Steve's trying to make me take a bad trade. I'm not gonna allow him to do that.
The bottom of that wick that you mentioned, which shows like a zone that it hit within this last minute, was below. It was in fact at 710 in that arena, and you know what happens in 710? The money gets sent.
All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.
All right.
All right, guys.
All right, G.
Later on.
For the tube, have a great rest of your day, everybody. I will see you guys tonight, 9:30 p.m. for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed. Stay safe in the markets.